Hi, welcome to Thiru Academy. Today we are going to discuss about Angular project structure. In last video we have discussed about Angular CLI and how to create our first project. We didn't discuss about structure. Now today we are going to discuss about structure. Okay. See, this is our location. I am opening command from here. Okay. Here from here we'll create first project again. Okay, ng new first project. It will take little bit time to install node modules and all. First, initially we are not providing any routing and all, right? So I'm giving n css we are using, right? So it is installing node modules. To install node modules it will take little bit time. Yes, it is installed. Now we will open our Angular project in Visual Studio Code. Okay. File, open folder. Oh, sorry, not open file. Folder we need to select. File, open folder. Yes, here is our first project. Just now we have created. Okay. Then fine. First we'll run this first project, we'll see the output, then we'll discuss about structure. Okay, what is the command to run? First we need to go with we need to go inside the project folder, right? First project ng serve or ngs is fine to run our project. These commands we have discussed in last video. Yes, it is compiled and run with port 4200. This is default port. Okay, we'll open this in browser. http:// localhost : 4200. This is default URL. See, this is our project output. Okay, we'll see one by one file now here. Okay, first we'll discuss about angular.json or package.json. We'll see here. If you observe name of our project, first project, and version, just now we have started, that's why 0.0.0. Okay, scripts here we have provided ng serve to build our project, ng build, ng test. About these commands we have discussed in we already discussed. Okay, private. These are the dependencies which we are using in our project. Default packages, whenever we have created Angular project, these packages will come. Okay, these are the DAO dependencies. Whenever we have first our project in DAO environment, right? We need to compile our project, we need to test our project, right? This Jasmine, Karma, and these and all related to testing. Okay, these are all development packages. Okay, first we'll see one by one. In dependencies, whenever we have created these packages, all will come automatically whenever we create Angular. Animations, common, compiler, core, forms, platform browser, dynamic. If you observe about these packages we have discussed earlier. Okay, router also came. For example, if you want to install any other package, then what is the situation? You may get doubt, right? Then in that point of view, see, I'm stopping server. We already in our project folder, right? npm install express. I am giving express module, I am installing. Okay, See, it is installing here. To install, maybe it will take little bit time. Your machine also will wait. Yes, it is installed. Okay, we'll see here. See, Express module we have, sorry, package we have installed, so that it came here. We'll see one more. npm install mongo.js. This one also will display here. Need to display here after installing this package. Yeah, see, it came. Okay, like this we need to install whatever the packages if you want. Okay, yeah, this is the Angular version. In last videos we have installed Angular CLI, right? Angular 16 version, which is the latest one we have installed here. See, Angular 16, all showing 16.2.0 version. And coming to here, whenever you want to see npm version also, we can check npm hyphen version. Like that we need to check. Okay, see, npm version we have seen, right? Ng version. See, npm version we are using 9.6. See, if you observe 9.6.6, that is npm version, and node version is 20.2.0. Like that we need to check. ng version is Angular CLI 16.2.4 we are using, and node version package manager. Like that we can see all versions. Okay, if you want to run our project or build our project, package.json is not mandatory. Why? Because see, I'll delete this one and we'll see. Okay, ng, yes, running this project. To build that project, node module package.json is not mandatory. Okay, I'm refreshing this, open the main page. See, by using service command we can build. I will show one more thing. npm start also we can use, right, to run our Angular project. This will give error. Why? Because here if you observe, for npm for starting npm, here we have provided that commands. Sorry, we don't have that JSON file, right? I'll revert. Package.json we have deleted. I have reverted now. See, for running npm start, we have provided manually here ng to run our project. Service command we have provided manually. That's why for starting that npm program, package.json is required. To build by using ng service command, package.json is not mandatory. We can run our project. Okay, yes, this is about package.json file. And when coming to angular.json, here if you observe node modules, from node modules it is taking the JSON files, library files, and okay, one project structure and project. If when coming to down, index.html, this is the starting HTML file we are using in our Angular project. Okay, whatever the this UI we are seeing, right, that is the file, index.html file. In index.html file we have that content to display. Okay, main TypeScript file is main.ts we are using to run our Angular project. Polyfills means we are running our Angular project in all browsers, right? For browser compatibility, we'll use okay TS config. We'll discuss about this later and SR assets. This favorite icon we are seeing, where we are seeing in SRC folder, we have that icon. This icon. See this A icon we are seeing, right? Where it is displaying, if you observe here in our with the project title, we are displaying this icon, right? This is the icon we are seeing over there. Okay, this display this icon we can find it in favorite icon here in SRC folder. See, this is the file for that one. Okay. And next favorite icon assets folder is there in SRC folder. We'll discuss if any CSS script if you want to provide in styles.css, we need to provide where it is this one, this styles.css we need to provide here. If you can use any CSS styles, okay, that script all related information we can find it in angular.json file. Okay, and next, yes, here we have seen angular.json and package.json file and package-log.json. This file maintains the version related information. For example, in Angular project, we have development team, we have so many members, right? All the members using the same version of project, like that version related information we can find it in package-log.json. Maintenance the version. Okay, then tsconfig.json, it is a TypeScript maintains the TypeScript related configuration information we can find it in tsconfig.json file. Is tsconfig.spec.json file, this is used for testing purpose. Okay, we have seen about tsconfig.json and package.json, package-log.json and angular.json file. Then coming to SRC, in SRC we have app folder and assets folder, favorite icon and index.html, main.html, styles.css. We will see in package explorer so that you can understand more. This is our first project. Here we have seen these files, and when coming to SRC, in SRC we have index.html. This file we will start off the our Angular HTML. Okay, this information we can maintain in index.html file, and TypeScript related information we can find it main.ts file. Styles.css, any if we use any styles we can find it in that CSS file. This is the favorite icon file. Okay, ICO file. In what we'll see in assets git related information we can find it. Okay, in app, when coming to app folder, we can find that component, modules information, services, whatever we are going to write in our Angular project, all those information we can find it in app folder only. In that app folder only we are going to write our logics. Okay, here first project. Then most important thing is node modules. Whenever whatever the packages or modules we have installed in our Angular project, okay, all those information we can find it in node modules folder. This is very important to our Angular project. Whatever the packages we have installed related to Angular, we can find it here at Angular folder. We can find it here. Common package, compiler DI, core, forms related, platform browser dynamic, router. These are all packages related information we can find it here. Okay, core. Here index.d.ts is there, right? In TypeScript related information we can find out here. like that, so many folders available. So in node modules, we will see only Angular. Initially we know about that only, right? So that's why all Angular packages related information we can find it in node modules. Okay, this is very very important. Whenever we are moving or shifting uh, from one location to another location, at that moment if we shift with Angular sorry, node modules, it will take very much time. This why? Because the size of this node module is heavy. We will delete these node modules and will transfer easily. Once if we delete this one, then how we can get it, right? We are deleting. So, yes, deleted, and we need to install it, right? How we can install that one? Npm install. This is the command to install node modules again related to our project. How it will identify what are the packages need to install, like that means here is our package.json file is there, right? Sorry, package.json. Here is our dependencies is there, right? Whatever the packages we already installed, it will take from here, so that compiler will understand these are the packages need to install. In that way it will install all the related packages for our project. Command is npm install is the command to install node modules folder again whenever we delete. Okay. Yes, whenever we have created one Angular project, right? For the first time, it will generate that one component with app, one module with app. App is the name of that module and component. This is the default name. Whenever we have created our Angular project, it will create a project itself. When it will create one component with app name and one module with app name. See here, this is the app component.html. We are seeing, right, that related information they have provided here, and same way spec is related to TypeScript. This is app.component.ts. This is related to our TypeScript information. Title, first project we are providing. Selector app root, and app loading file is app.component.html. CSS file is app.component.css. This is app.module information. Here they have provided how to create components and how to create modules. We'll see in next video. In further videos we will discuss about that, how to create modules, how to create components and all. Okay, if you really like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you want more videos about Angular. Okay, thank you for watching.